So guys, we've basically already installed the profile here. Now we need to make the outside corner, and I'll show you how to make the outside corner. So we take the level and place it flat against the batten. Next, we set the ruler to the edge of the profile. Let's see how much we have up to the level. We get 9 centimeters, that's 90 millimeters. We add 30 millimeters for the tongue to catch. That makes 12 centimeters, which is 120 millimeters. We repeat the procedure. Now from the other side, we double check, so to speak. Let's see. Here we turn on 10 and 3. That is 103 millimeters. Add 30, we get 133 millimeters. Write it down. 133. Write it down. We cut the profile. We take the profile, mark it. Our first size is 13 and 3. 13 and 3, we draw a line. Here we also make the tongue. Millimeters. We add the center, and from the center we add more. You take the scissors, and cut it off. You can break it, you can cut the profile as you wish. Now here we lay. Solonic. We take it now. We take it by the center, cut it off first like this, just a little here, 5 millimeters, and here like this. We bend our little corner, the one we added by 30 millimeters. This is the little tab. We screw in the self-tapping screw. We screw it in, the self-tapping screw. The second self-tapping screw. That's it, we screw it in. What's next? We repeat the same procedure, only we place the bracket at the very top, and this is the bracket. The bracket, we screwed in a self-tapping screw here. Into the rib, the bracket goes on with a self-tapping screw. Next, we move on, going down to the bottom. A self-tapping screw goes here, specifically for the bracket. We recommend it to everyone. We take our lace, we pull it tight. Now we see what we have. The cord is pulled tight. The cord is pulled tight. Next, mark it. For example, step 75. 75. Why step 75? Because a single 3-meter profile yields. There will be 4 pieces of profile. That's it. Also, don't forget anything. All the pieces of profile you have will be used up on the corner. We basically don't have any profile scraps left, so now I'll take a whole profile, stretched, cut off the corner. Hold the corner. With the corner. Along our marks corner. We also set it along the string. Now we take it. We set it along the string to make sure everything is precise. We tighten everything. We tighten everything, then we remove the string. Self-tapping screw from here. Important. So 45. So 45. We're filming. Use profile A if possible. For pieces, use those from Sol 45. We draw a mark, make a mark, take the profile. We remove it. We broke this profile and can cut it off. Okay. We mark back 30 millimeters. Why am I doing 30? That is, I divide the profile in half and make the tongue not 60 millimeters but 30. Why should I make a long tongue? Next we measure, we cut, all from one edge. We cut off the ears. Cut off the ears. Here we are. We cut off this little tab on the profile so it doesn't get in our way. We need to make sure the profile fits tightly. Now we take the corner piece. We take the little corner piece. Voila. So basically, all the profiles that I gave you the measurements for, this profile is set 60 millimeters from the edge of the beam, or 50, I don't remember exactly anyway. 50, 60, it doesn't matter. To be continued. The angle bracket is in place. The angle bracket is in place. Next, we take these self-tapping screws. Don't be stingy or try to save, and we screw them in. That's it, we've secured our angle bracket. The angle bracket is secured and neat. In some places where it's basically hard to fit the panel, we cut off the tabs. And then we insert the panel, and then on top of the panel, we put our angle bracket. So I basically showed you. And here is the inner corner. Everything is the same, only you. This corner curves the other way. This is how we get it. We place one corner at the bottom, one corner at the top, pull the string tight, and strictly follow the string. We set everything up. I did my best to help. Respect to all. Subscribe, like, and best wishes, Baba.